in this area, so I signed you up for an online dating service. What do you mean? Dating is when two people who like each other go to Then when you asked me to watch Elizabeth while you went to the store to get her some orange juice, I didn't know what you meant.
Sorry it took so long, Mrs. H, but I couldn't remember what kind of Elizabeth liked, so I called Cheyenne and gave her a ride home from the library. Shoot! Elizabeth buying on the side of the juice.
Oh, you might want to get some aspirin.
Well, I don't need aspirin.
Guys, will you please tell them it's 19th century here that online dating is a great way to meet compatible men?
I'll tell the word.
No.
Wait, but at least take a look at who the computer picked for you. I mean, one of these has to be your soulmate. Hey, what about Steve, the mortician?
The video is over.
Or Jorge, who works at the zoo?
Let's see what he gonna do this time.
Keeper.
He mad now. He tired of you. Why you jumping your gate? Why you jumping your gate?